In this video, I am going to show you how to make $300 a day with clickbank, and you are not even going to be making a sale at all. As you can see right on the screen, this product goes for $0.00, which means you are going to be giving away this product for absolutely free and still make money. So if you go to the clickbank account, so if you log into your clickbank account, you can see this is the product right here, and you will get paid $48 per conversion that you make on this product. And just as you can see here, it's $0. All right, so you can see it says gold and silver plated President Trump 2020 coin, and they also have different variants of the coin. So if I click on this one, you can see there's another version of the coin. So basically this coin is best promoted to Trump fans. All right, so if they click on this add to cart, as you can see right here, claim one 2020 coin today for free, just pay shipping and handling. All right, so if they decide to go with one of the coins, so if they click on that, as you can see right here, it's absolutely free. You can see the total right here, $0, and you can see they are only paying to get this product shipped to their address. All right, so if I scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see my affiliate username right here. So if any sale is made or any conversion is made on this page, I am going to be credited $48. All right, so if I go back to my dashboard real quick, so let me go back to my dashboard. As you can see right here, I have made $38 today on clickbank. All right, and also you can see for this week I have made $50.66 on clickbank. All right, so if I refresh the page again, as you can see right here, everything remains the same. So once you log into your account is going to look like this. Okay, so to access the product, you want to go to the marketplace. So once you click on the marketplace, you want to scroll down to the very bottom of this page and go to self-help, and then you want to click on survival. So once you do that, the product is the number one on this category. As you can see right here, Trump 2020 gold plated coin. So you want to click on this promote. All right, and you want to click on this generate up links. So once you click on that, as you can see, this is your affiliate link to this product. Of course, you don't want to promote this link because it looks spammy, and anybody who see this link, they will think it's a virus link or something. All right, so what you want to do, you want to go to website like tinyurl to shorten this link. So as you can see right here, once you paste in the link in here and you click on shorten the link, you can copy this link, and don't worry, you can actually direct link to this product because you are not making any sale on this product at all. Basically, it's a free product, so you can promote it without even having a landing page. All right, but of course I recommend creating a landing page for it because it's going to look more professional and you are going to stand out doing that. What you want to do is you want to go to Google site. So if you go to Google site, okay, you want to click on blank. So once you click on blank, you want to download this image right here. You want to right click and download it. So once you've downloaded it, you can basically go to your Google site. Okay, we don't need this, so we are just going to delete this. So you want to click on this image right here and upload the image. So you want to paste it in here, and you want to make sure it's in the center. All right, so once you do that, you can also add other images as well. So you want to go back to the page, and then you want to grab this text. So once you copy the text, you want to make sure you place it in the center. All right, just as we have right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, you want to grab this. All right, you want to make them know that it's actually free, they are not paying for it. So you paste that, and you want to align that to the center by coming to this more option and click on align to the center. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to add a button. So you click on button, and then you type in something like click here, and then you want to copy your link. Okay, So you want to paste in your link right here. Okay, so once you've done that, you can basically publish this page. All right, you can give it a name and you can start driving traffic to this page. Okay, so once you come to Facebook and you type in Trump, you want to filter to groups. Okay, so once you filter to groups, you are going to see a lot of Facebook groups about Trump, a lot of Facebook groups. You can see I can keep scrolling down and scrolling down. And as I mentioned, for this product, you don't even need to sell anything at all. All you need to do is get them to pay for the shipping and handling to their respective address. All right, so that is all you need to do to make money. With this offer. You can see there are a lot of groups. So you can keep scrolling down, a lot of groups. So basically, if you click on one of these groups, so once you come to any of these groups, for example, like this one, you can see it says the official 2024 President Trump campaign group. Okay, so you can just come here and type in something like this. As you can see, it says Trump is the man for the job come 2024. My undying support goes to this fellow Trump supporter who is giving away this Trump gold and silver plated coin for free. And then you leave a link to the landing page, or you leave a link to the tiny URL. If you want to shorten the link, either one is going to work. Okay, but if you can create a landing page, that is even better. All right, so once you do that, you post this on the Facebook group and you can start driving traffic to this offer and start collecting leads for absolutely free, like I mentioned. And also, what it says on the page, they are not paying a dime for this product, they are getting it for free. All right, so basically that is how you can start driving traffic for free to this landing page. And also you can see social proof right here of somebody who just bought the coin. Okay, so this is a very simple strategy that you can use to start driving free traffic to this landing page for absolutely free. So you can repeat this strategy for other Facebook groups. So you can join as many of these Trump supporters group on Facebook as you can, and you can make a simple post like that. So that is how you can start driving free targeted traffic to this offer. Okay, so that will be all for this video. And if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any question, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.